ना आमी फिशरीज मिनिस्टराक आज मेळपाक आयिल्ले, कित्याक आज ताणें तिनूय सेंटराची मिटींग आपयलेली आनी आमचो मेजर इशू आहा की आमकां STP प्लांट येता थंय. हाजे धक्क्यार आमकां कळ्ळां फिशरीज डिपार्टमेंटा कडल्यान STP सिवेजीचो प्लांट येता थंय. सिवेजीचो प्लांट घालूंक सोदता जनरल फॉर पब्लीक यूज, जनरल यूज तो सिवेजीचो प्लांट आमच्या धक्क्यार घालूंक सोदता. नॉट इवन 70 मिटर्स फ्रॉम द आयस प्लांट आमचो. म्हाका कळना वॉट इज दीस आयडिया. सगळे ट्रक्स येतले आनी ते सिवेजीचो प्लांट आमच्या आयस प्लांट, ही कंटेमिनेशन. आमचो धक्को आहा पळय वीच इज यूज एक्सक्लुसिवली फॉर फिशींग पर्पज, फिशींग ट्रान्सपोर्टेशन, फिशींग लोडींग आनी अनलोडींग पर्पज. आनी आवर मेजर टेरिटरी ऑफ वर्क इज एक्सपोर्ट आनी इंटरस्टेट ट्रान्सपोर्ट आनी डोमेस्टीक फीश. We supply from jetty, we supply fish to all the local markets in Goa major, which is being consumed by public. So आता हांगा जर सिवेज प्लांट घालत, there is high possibility of contamination आणि it will become an unhygienic atmosphere. Trucks येतले सिवेजीचे थंय. So we have said that under any circumstances we are not allowing sewage plant there. It will amount to catastrophe. आम्ही मिनिस्टराक आज येवन सांगला की आणि इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल सिवेज प्लांट बी थंय. आणि दॅट जेट इज डिमार्केटेड एक्सक्लुसिवली फॉर फिशींग पर्पज. इट कॅनॉट बी स्पेड फॉर एनी अदर वर्क, लीव अपार्ट सिवेज. And secondly, that jetty is saturated. It is insufficient for us to utilize for transportation trucks दवरपाक. आमच्याच कामाक ती पावना आणि we are unable to spare any land for that. So आम्ही protest केला. We will not keep quiet. we will go for the second method, or we'll have to go for agitation if STP plant comes there.
So assurance minister had given it.
No, minister has told. We have just given a memorandum to minister saying it is not acceptable. He is gone for cabinet meeting. He said he will look into the matter.
But was he aware, or you all brought it to his notice?
No, his department, he was aware. His department has already got intimation. They have DCL has asked for land NOC from his department.
तुमका सरप्राईज दिसना की जेटी नुसते हाता लोकांक थिंगा सायडीक
how it is possible? Surprised. We are surprised how sewage plant can be bought on the area where fishing is going on. Fishing activities are going on. Surprising. There लॉजिकूच बसना तातून भितर, बिलकुल बसना लॉजिक. Where it is day-to-day consumption by public, you know. You cannot get a sewage plant in the jetty premises, and especially 70 meters away from where we are producing ice for fishing purpose. It is not, that site is not even 70 meters from site where we are producing ice for jetty consumption.
So then क्या हाला तुमका सांगता?
No, we have given him memorandum and he said he is looking into the matter, but we will not allow it under any circumstances, come what may.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण, गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.